Welcome dear students. In last lecture we completed the construction of a similar triangles. I hope everyone do the practice of that constructions. Now we have to start with the practice set 4.2. In that we have to learn the construction of a tangents. Before going to the construction, let us understand some properties about the tangents. See dear student, suppose first of all we have to understand what is tangent. This is a circle with center P, and in this circle suppose I draw a line. This is a line, suppose I draw a line L. Now this line L intersect the circle in point Q. That means there is a one and only one common point between this tangent and the point on a circle. Then this line is known as a tangent of a circle. Dear student, this point of contact, if I joined with the center of a circle, then this is PQ is known as a radius, and this radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. Remember this property, that is this perpendicular drawn from the center on a tangent. This is a perpendicular. Now see, the angle is of 90 degree. Now while constructing the tangent, there are two types. First one, when the point is on a circle, suppose P is the center and point Q is on a circle, then we have to construct a triangle. Dear student, when point is on a circle and we have to draw the tangent, then passing through that point Q, we can draw one and only one tangent to the circle. Remember this one property. That means when is a point is on a point is on a circle, then passing through that point we can draw one and only one tangent to the circle. Now second construction is, in this case there are two concepts. We have to construct the tangent by using the center of a circle, and another topic is we have to construct the tangent to the circle passing through the point Q, which is on a circle, but without using the center. Dear student, see the difference. Here in this construction we have to use the center of a circle to construct the tangent, and here we did not have to use the center of a circle. Dear students, some property I want to explain you here that you have already learned. See dear student, when suppose I draw the chord PQ, this chord make angle with point R on a circle. This is a chord, and on this circle I take point R, and if I join this R with this P, then R with this Q, that means this chord make a one arc, one angle with the point on a circle R. This is angle R. Now suppose if I draw the tangent passing through this point Q, then dear student, this chord make one angle with the point on a circle, that is R, and this chord make the angle with point Q. These two angles are congruent angles. These angles are called as angles in alternate segment. But angles in alternate segments are congruent. This property we have to use to construct the tangent without using the center of a circle. Dear student, this concept is important. Therefore, for the construction of a tangent without using center, you must know how to construct a congruent angles. See dear student, these are the angles in alternate segment, and angles in alternate segments are congruent, and that property we have to use for construction of a tangent without using the center of a circle. Then dear students, what we have to learn, we have to draw the tangent to the circle when point is outside the circle. Dear student, see here, center is a P and somewhere here point R is there. And passing through the point R, we have to draw the tangent. And when, dear student, point is outside the circle, then dear student, we can draw two tangent to the circle like this. Therefore, remember, when point is on a circle, we have to draw one and only one tangent to the circle. And when point is outside the circle and passing through that point R, if we have to draw the tangent, then we can draw the two tangent to the circle. Dear student, these are the basic concept behind the construction. While we are drawing the congruent angle, you must know the concept behind this construction. Therefore, I explain you. Now, dear student, we have to start with the practice set 4 point. Just now, I explain you about the tangent of a circle and how to construct the tangent of a circle. Now we have to learn. Just now I explain you there are three types of construction of a tangent. Out of that we start with the first one. See, construction of a tangent to a circle at a point on the circle. Dear student, see again, construction of a tangent to a circle at a point on the circle. That means we have to construct a tangent from the point which is on a circle. Just now I explain you when we have to draw a tangent passing through the point which is on a circle, we can draw one and only one tangent. Now we start with how to construct the tangent. See practice set 4.2, question number first. Construct a tangent to a circle with center P. Construct a tangent, that means we have to construct a tangent with center P. The center of a circle is P and the radius of a circle is 3.2 centimeter at any point M on it. That means there is a circle with radius 3.2 centimeter and the center is a P. On that circle there is a point M and passing through that point M we have to construct a tangent. It is very simple construction is there. Now first of all we have to draw the analytical figure, or we say that a rough figure. For that purpose, see, we have to draw a circle like this. Any suitable distance we have to take as a radius and then we have to draw a circle like this. On that circle there is a center P. P is the center of a circle. On that circle we have to take a point M and passing through this point M we have to draw a tangent. All of you know that tangent intersect the circle in one and only one point like this, and from passing through this point M we have to draw a tangent like this. Got it? This is the analytical figure. The radius of the circle is 3.2 centimeter. Dear student, now we have to do the final figure. See, first of all we have to draw a circle of radius 3.2. Therefore, first of all we have to take a distance of 3.2 centimeter in a compass. For that purpose, see, centimeter. First of all we have to plot here one point and 3.2. Therefore, after this 3 we have to take a two lines 2 millimeter. Now distance between these 2 points is 3.2 centimeter. Therefore, we have to put the metal point on one point and the pencil point we have to adjust on a second point. Now dear student, the distance between these 2 points is 3.2 centimeter. Therefore, first of all we have to draw a circle. Dear student, you have to use like this and this is a circle of 3.2 centimeter. Here the center is a P. We have to give the name of a center. Then we have to show the radius. Dear student, this is a radius and it is 3.2 centimeter. Now on this circle we have to take any point M. Therefore, suppose we take point M over here. Give the name of this point. This is point M. Dear student, passing through this point M, we have to draw a tangent. All of you know that. See, dear student, for that purpose what we have to do? We have to join this point M with this center and extend this further like this and make the arrow at the one end. Dear student, all of you know that the tangent and the radius are perpendicular to each other. That means, dear student, to draw the tangent, what we have to do? We have to do the construction of drawing perpendicular passing through this point M. Dear student, because the tangent and radius are perpendicular to each other, that means we have to draw a tangent. We have to draw the perpendicular passing through the point M, and all of you know how to construct a tangent, how to draw the perpendicular passing from point M. Dear student, if we have to draw the perpendicular passing from the point M, we have to put the metal point on given point M and take the distance less than the radius and make one arc on this side and one arc on another side like this. That means we got here two arcs. Now we have to take a distance more than half of this. Put the metal point on one arc. Put the metal point on one arc and take a distance more than half and make arc on the upper side and on the below of this line like this. Then keep the same distance, put the metal point on the one arc, another arc, and draw the intersecting arc to the previous arc like this. Now, dear student, we got these two arcs. Join these two arcs with each other. That line will be passing through the point M, and that will be the tangent to the circle passing through the point M. Dear student, this is a line L. This line L is perpendicular to PM, that is the radius of the circle, and therefore this line L is the tangent of a circle passing through the point M. I think everyone understood it. This is simple construction. You can do the practice and you will able to draw the construction further. See this construction again. Dear student, watch this video again and again. Then first of all watch the video completely and then try to draw the figures by using this video. Pause the video at every step and see how every step is constructed. Now dear student, there is a second question in practice set 4.2 is same as that of the first question. Therefore try to solve that. I will try to solve the third question. See, read the question. Draw a circle of radius 3.6 centimeter. Draw a tangent to the circle at any point it without using the center. Now dear student, see, this is most important type of a construction of a tangent. As earlier we completed one construction in that we use the center of a circle. Now here we do not have to use the center of a circle. Just now I explain you what is the angles in alternate segment. and how we are using that property to construct a tangent without using the center of a circle. Dear student, in the previous chapter you learn what is angles in alternate segment, and just now I explain you what are the angles in alternate segment. That property we have to use here. See dear student, it is most important. Draw a circle of radius 3.6 centimeter. Draw a tangent to the circle at any point on it without using the center. Dear student, first of all we have to draw the analytical figure or rough figure like this. We have to draw the circle of given radius, but see here we have to draw the circle. Now we have to did not use the center. Draw tangent to the circle at any point on it without using the center. Suppose we take here point P, and passing through this point P we have to draw the tangent to the circle. Therefore dear student, for construction of this we have to use the angles in alternate segment or congruent. That property we have to use. This is suppose we draw a chord PQ, and passing through point P we have to draw the tangent. For that purpose what we have to do, we have to take another point over here. It is point R, and this point R we have to join with this P. Now dear student, this angle R, and here we draw the tangent like this. Got it? Now see here, this angle R and this angle QPS, these two angles are angles in alternate segment, and that angles in alternate segment are congruent. That property we have to use here. Now dear student, see, first of all we have to draw the circle of given radius. Circle of given radius. Radius is 3.6 centimeter. Therefore dear student, we have to take a distance of 3.6 centimeter in a compass like this. Here it is 0 and 3.6. This is 3.5. After that one line we have to take, and this distance is 3.6 centimeter. Now this distance we have to take in a compass like this. The distance between these 2 points is 3.6, and that distance we have to take in a compass. Now, dear student, the distance is 3.6 centimeter, and by using that we have to draw the circle of radius 3.6. Like this we complete the first step, that is we construct the circle of radius 3.6 centimeter. Dear student, we did not have to use the center of this circle. Therefore, what we have to do, we have to take any point. The name of point is not given, therefore we take point P, and passing through this point P, we have to draw a tangent to the circle. If we have to use the center, then we join this center with this point, and then we draw the perpendicular. But here, dear student, we did not have to use the center. Now see, containing this point P, we have to draw a one chord to the circle like this. This is a one chord we have to draw. This is chord PQ. Now we have to take any point R on the circle. Here I take point R on a circle. Then join this point R with Q. And join with this point P. Dear student, we have to draw the tangent passing through this point P. Now when, see, this is a chord and this is a tangent. This chord and tangent make a congruent angle with point R. Therefore, if we have to draw the tangent passing through this point P, we have to draw a congruent angle of R at the point P. Therefore, we have to do the construction of congruent angle. All of you know that how to draw the congruent angle. See here, dear student, if you have any doubt, then go to the video which is basic of the construction. In that video, I explain you how to construct the tangent to the circle. Dear student, keep the same distance, put the metal point on a P and draw the arc passing through this chord PQ like this. I think everyone understood this. We have to put the metal point on R, make a one arc by using suitable distance, then keep the same distance and put the metal point on a P and passing through this chord PQ, draw one arc. Now next step is take a distance, this much distance in a compass, and put the metal point on this arc which intersect the chord. Now draw the arc see here, keep the same distance, this distance, keep the same distance, put the metal point on this arc which intersect the chord and then draw the arc intersecting the previous arc. Now join this point P with this intersecting. Dear student, see here, like this we have to join this P with this intersecting arc like this, and dear student, this is a tangent passing through the point P without using the center of a circle. Dear student, in this case we did not have to use the center, but we have to show the radius of a circle. Therefore join this, and this is the radius is 3.6 centimeter. Now see, this is a tangent passing through the point P. We draw it without using the center of a circle. Dear student, as a point of exam view, this concept is important. Do the practice. First of all, do the practice of drawing the congruent angle, and that simple procedure we have to follow to construct a tangent without using the center of a circle. Go through this video again and again. Now we have to start with the another topic, that is question number 4. We have to start. Now dear student, see the question number 4. Draw a circle of radius 3.3 centimeter. Draw a chord PQ of length 6.6 centimeter. Draw a tangent to the circle at point P and Q. Write your observation about the tangents. Dear student, see. Draw a circle of radius 3.3 centimeter. We have to draw the circle of radius 3.3 centimeter. In that we have to draw a chord PQ of length 6.6 centimeter. Dear student, if you observe it carefully or if you read it carefully, the radius is 3.3 centimeter and the length of the chord is 6.6 centimeter. That means the chord means the diameter of the circle. Radius is 3.3 and length of chord is 6.6. That means the double than that of the radius. That means it is a diameter of a circle. Draw a tangent to the circle at point P and Q. We got 2 points, and passing through these 2 points we have to draw the tangent to the circle and write your observation about the tangents. First of all, we construct the tangents and then we will see about the observation about the tangents. First of all, we have to draw the rough figure. See, just we have to draw the circle. Here center is not given, we can take point M as a center of a circle. Now radius is 3.3 centimeter and the length of chord is 6.6 centimeter. That means it is a diameter. Therefore, see dear student, we directly draw the chord like this. It is P and Q. The 3.3 centimeter is the radius and 6.6 centimeter is the diameter of the circle. Now passing through this point P, we have to draw the tangents. Now see here dear student, see this will be the one tangent passing through the point Q and this will be the another tangent passing through the point Q. This is L and this is M. L and M are the two tangents passing through the point P and Q. Now see dear student, it is very easy how to construct. Simple, we have to do the construction of drawing the tangent passing through the point which is on a circle. Now first of all we have to take a radius. How much radius is there? 3.3 centimeter. Therefore we have to take a distance of 3.3 centimeter in a compass. For that purpose this 0 and here it is 3.3 centimeter. Now take this distance in a compass, as all of you know how to take. Put the metal point over and adjust the pencil point on a second point. The distance between these 2 points is 3.3 centimeter. Now draw the circle of given radius like this. See, this is the center and center is M. Now we have to draw the chord of 6.6 centimeter. Therefore, dear student, all of you know that the diameter is double than that of a radius. Radius is 3.3. That means the chord of 6.6 centimeter is a diameter. Therefore, we can directly draw like this and extend this further like this. Make one arrow here. Here it is arrow. And dear student, point P is here and point Q is here. Dear student, we can write 3.3 centimeter. This is the radius and 6.6 centimeter is the length of this chord. Now dear student, passing through point P and passing through point Q, we have to draw the two tangents. First of all, we put the metal point on Q and take a sufficient distance less than radius and make two arcs like this, one on other side like this. Now put the metal point on one arc, take a distance more than half and make one arc here, another arc here. Keep the same distance, put the metal point on arc. See, not on a center of a circle, it is on an arc. Most of our students make this mistake. They put the metal point on a point center of a circle. Don't know. We have to put it on a arc like this. Then dear student, join this, draw the line that will be a passing through point Q and that will be the tangent passing through the point Q. Now similar construction we have to do passing through the point P. Therefore put the metal point on point P, make one arc here, another arc on this side. Now put the metal point on this arc, take a distance more than half and make one arc here, another arc here. Put the metal point on another point, make the intersecting arc like this. And dear student, join this. This is the line L. Make the arrow at both the end. Now dear student, we got these two tangents passing through the point P and Q. The segment PQ is a diameter, that is the chord length of the chord PQ is equal to the diameter, therefore PQ is a diameter. Therefore, see dear student, we have to write the observation about the tangents. Now dear student, all of you observe that this line L and this line M are parallel with each other. If we observe here, it is angle 90 degree, this angle is 90 degree. We say that line L and line M are parallel with each other. Therefore, dear student, we can write the observation that the tangents through point P and Q. We can write here tangents through points P and Q are parallel to each other. I think everyone understood this construction. See dear student, go through this construction again and again. Pause the video, draw the construction. If you have any doubt, then see the video again and again. Now see, we have to start with question number 5th one. Draw a circle with radius 3.4 centimeter. Draw a chord MN of length 5.7 centimeter in it. Construct tangent at point M and N to the circle. Dear student, just now we completed one construction is similar to this, but in the previous sum, the length of chord is equal to the diameter of the circle. But in this case, the length of chord is not equal to the diameter of a circle. Same procedure we have to do. See here, we have to draw first of all the analytical figure or the rough figure. First of all, we have to draw a circle. See here, this is a circle. Now see here, radius is 3.4 centimeter. Draw a chord MN of length 5.7 centimeter. Dear student, radius is 3.4. That means the diameter is 6.8 and the length of chord is 5.7 centimeter. That means it is less than diameter. Therefore, dear student, see, suppose this is a chord of length P. Here it is point M and N. This is the chord of length 5.7 centimeter. Now we have to draw a tangent passing through the point M and N. See here, this is a tangent passing through the point N and this is the another tangent passing through the point M. Now see dear student, I have already explained you when the point is on a circle, we can draw one and only one tangent to the circle. Now see dear student, it is simple thing, just we have to know how this tangent MN we have to construct. Therefore first of all we have to draw the circle of given radius. Radius of a circle is 3.4 centimeter. Therefore in a compass we have to take a distance of 3.4 centimeter, and for that purpose see here it is 3 and here it is 3.4, and take the distance between the compass, put the metal point on one point and another adjust the pencil point to the another point like this. The distance is 3.4 centimeter. Now we have to draw a tangent. For that purpose, first of all, we have to draw the circle of given the radius. The radius is 3.4 centimeter. Therefore, dear student, we have to draw. I have already explained you that the length of pencil which is used in a compass is must be less than that of a compass. Then it is easy to construct a circle. Got it? Like this. Now see here. This is the center. Center is supposed to be P and radius is 3.4 centimeter. Here it is 3.4 centimeter. Now dear student, first of all we have to draw the tangent of 5.7 centimeter. Therefore first of all, dear student, take any point. Suppose point M is there on a circle. Now we have to draw a tangent. We have to draw the chord of length 5.7 centimeter. Therefore dear student, first of all we have to take a distance of 5.7 centimeter in a compass. 5.7, therefore it is 0, and here it is 5, 5.5, 6 and 5.7. Now take this distance in a compass. For that purpose, put the metal point on one point and pencil point is on another. Like this is the distance of 5.7 centimeter. Now put the metal point on M and make an arc to the circle like this. Now dear student, this is our point N. Got it? Now join this point M and N. This is a tangent. This is a chord of length 5.7 centimeter. Now everyone understood this, how to draw a chord to the circle. This is the length of a chord is 5.7 centimeter. Therefore we have to write here 5.7 centimeter. Now passing through this point M, we have to draw a tangent, and passing through the point N, we have to draw a tangent. Now we have to use here the center of a circle. For that purpose, join this center with M and extend this further. Similarly, join this P with N. We join the center of a circle with the point N, from which we have to draw the tangent like this. Now see here. We have to draw a perpendicular passing through point M. That will be the tangent. Therefore, see here, passing through point P, we have to draw a tangent. Therefore, put the metal point on a M. Take a sufficient distance that is less than radius. Make one arc here and another arc on another side. Like this. I think everyone understood this. Now, put the metal point not on a center of a circle. I repeat, not on a center of a circle. Make on a arc. More than half distance. Then make one arc here, another arc here. Put the metal point over here. Draw the intersecting arc. And dear student, join this with each other. This is a tangent passing through the point M. Now, dear student, we have to draw the tangent passing through the point N. For that purpose, put the metal point on N. Take a sufficient distance. Make one arc here, another arc here. like this. Now take a more than half distance, make one arc on this side, put the metal point on this arc, make one arc like this, another arc over here. From this, draw the intersecting arc. Dear student, here we got two tangents. One is passing through the point N, another is passing through the point M. Got it? This is the chord of length 5.7 cm, radius is 3.4 cm. Passing through this point N and passing through this point M, we draw the two tangent to the circle. Dear student, here we completed the construction of a tangent. We completed the question number 5th one. Dear students, let's start with the next sum, which is question number 6. Draw a circle with center P and radius 3.4 cm. Take point Q at a distance 5.5 cm from the center. Construct tangents to the circle from point Q. Dear student, at the beginning of this lecture, I have already explained you. We have to draw the tangent when point is on a circle and when point is outside the circle. When the point is on a circle, we draw one tangent to the circle, and dear student, when point is outside the circle, we can draw two tangent to the circle. Now we have to see this question. Radius of circle is 3.4 cm, center is P. Take point Q at a distance 5.5 cm from the center. That means we have to take a point Q which is 5.5 cm from the center and construct tangents to the circle from point Q. See the word tangents. That means passing through this point Q, we have to draw the two tangent to the circle. Now how to construct this? Let's see the first analytical figure. We have to draw a circle of given radius. This is the circle. Point P is the center of a circle and the radius is 3.4. 3.4 cm. And dear student, we have to take a point Q outside the circle which is 5.5 cm from the center. Dear student, see here. Radius is 3.4 cm. That means diameter will be 6.8 and the distance of point Q from the center is less than diameter. See here, this is point Q. Distance is 5.5 cm and we have to produce this further like this. This is point Q and we are not taking actual measurements. This is analytical figure. Now passing through this point Q, we have to draw a tangent like this and like this. That means we can draw two tangent to the circle passing through the point Q which is outside the circle. Now see dear student, how to construct. The distance is 5.5 cm. Now how to construct? See. First of all, we have to take a distance 3.4 cm in a compass to draw the circle. Therefore, see dear student, how to take a distance, all of you know about this. This is 0 and 3.4. Put the metal point on one point and pencil point, adjust the pencil point on another point. This is, dear student, somewhere here we have to take, and like this we have to draw the circle. Dear student, I have already explained you that the length of pencil must be less than that of the compass. It will be a very easy to draw the circle. Therefore, always remember you have to take the pencil which is smaller than that of the compass. Now see here. Here it is point P and radius is 3.4 centimeter. Now we have to take a point Q which is outside the circle. Therefore, we have to draw one ray like this, and we have to take a point Q which is 5.5 centimeter. Therefore, we have to take a distance of 5.5 centimeter like this. This is 0 and here it is 5 and here it is 5.5. Take this distance in a compass. Now put the metal point on center and make one arc on this ray. This is our point Q. This is 5.5 centimeter. Now dear student, for further construction we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of this PQ. Now how to draw the perpendicular bisector, all of you know. Take a distance more than half and draw one arc here and another arc on this side like this. Put the metal point on Q. Draw the intersecting arc like this. And join this. Dear student, this is the perpendicular bisector and this point is supposed to be point M. Dear student, one most important thing I want to tell you. The position of this perpendicular bisector is depend upon the distance of point Q from the center. In every sum, it will not be like this. The position of this perpendicular bisector of this PQ is depend upon the distance of point Q from the center. Distance of point Q from the center is less than diameter, then it will inside the circle. When the distance of point Q from the center is equal to diameter, then it will touches the circle. And when the distance of point Q is more than the diameter of the circle, then it is outside the circle. Keep in mind these three things. The position of this is depend upon the distance of point from the center. Distance of that point from the center is less than diameter, inside the circle. Equal to diameter, touches the circle. And more than the diameter, outside the circle. Now everyone understood this? Yes. Now put the metal point on point M. Take a pencil point on a center of a circle, and dear student, see here we have to put the metal point on a point M and pencil point on a center, and we have to draw the arc to the circle like this. We can draw the only arc touches the circle, or we can draw the complete circle that will passing through the point Q. See what I have done. Put the metal point on M, take a distance, pencil point on a center of a circle, and draw the circle which will passing through the point Q. Got it? Now these arc and circle intersect. This is point A and this is point B. Now this point A and point Q we have to join. That will be our first tangent passing through the point Q. Got it? And see, this is our second tangent which will passing through the point Q. Therefore, dear student, when two tangents are there, when the point is outside the circle, we can draw the two tangent to the circle. One more thing I want to explain you here. See, dear student, this is point P, this is our main circle, and these are the tangents. This segment AQ is called as a tangent segment, and QB is a tangent segment. Now, dear student, you have already learned when a tangent's length of the tangent segment drawn from the point outside the circle are congruent. This is the property. All of you know that when the length of tangent segment is equal, that means the tangent segment drawn from the point outside the circle are congruent. Therefore, see, dear student, this AQ and this QB will be the same in a length. Got it? Therefore, dear student, what we have learned that we can verify in this figure. In chapter number 3, we learned that the tangent segment drawn from the outside the circle are congruent. See, dear student, AQ is a tangent segment, QB is a tangent segment. These two tangent segments are congruent. We can verify this. See the distance. This distance and this distance is the same. Therefore, we can say that the tangent segment drawn from the point outside the circle are congruent. Dear student, here we completed practice set 4.2. Dear student, watch this video completely. Try to construct the tangents, draw the construction, and dear student, if you do the practice, then and only then you can draw the construction accurately, because accuracy is most important. Dear student, while doing practice, see the video, pause the video at every step, do the construction, go to the further steps like this, do the practice of this construction. Dear student, in next lecture, we will see the problem set 4. Thank you.